Hello, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how our students that sit at the heart table will be entering and exiting the cafeteria. To begin, they will be sanitizing their hands at the sanitizer that's located by the Commons bus doors. They will proceed down the hallway where at the end of the art hallway, they will stop and remove their masks with their clean hands following our mask and bag procedures. Once their masks are safely inside their bags, they will place the bags with their masks along the wall of this hallway in the art hallway. Once all the students are ready, they will then proceed to their entrance, which is the middle entrance door located in the middle of the cafeteria. They'll enter the cafeteria here, and if they are a cold lunch student, they will proceed to that first row right away and have a seat. If they are not a cold lunch student, then they are getting a hot lunch, they will continue down the wall straight and they will follow the social distancing dots and continue through the cafeteria line. Once they have their lunch, they will circle around the tables and they will sit down at their seat location. To exit the cafeteria, our students will need to follow the instructions and the lead of our staff that are working in the cafeteria. Once it is red cup, they'll be instructed to exit row by row and throw away garbage. So the garbage will be located in the center here for our red heart table students. They will get up, throw away their garbage, and then they will safely exit the cafeteria door. Once students exit the cafeteria, they will first need to stop at a sanitizer station to clean their hands. After sanitizing, they will proceed down the hallway where their masks are located. They will then need to stop at their bag location and they will safely put their masks back on following our mask procedures. Once all students have their masks on and their items collected, they are then going to proceed to the commons area and line up on the dots and wait for their teacher to pick them up. I hope this is helpful as our students are beginning our first week in person and having lunch. Thank you so much for watching.